Hello everyone and welcome to a very old school YouTube video. The good old what's in my bag. What's in my bag? Living near Canada makes you say it like that. It eventually will take over. So one of you who I love chats to me in Instagram sometimes. She's from Australia and is so freaking sweet. Had mentioned there was a couple of videos. There was a video I did recently that she really enjoyed, but she also was letting me know that like she loved what's in my bag videos. Now she wasn't saying that that's what she wanted me to film or anything, but I took that as a hint. I was like, I could do that. I could totally do what's in my bag. I haven't done one of those in forever. The world is upside down. Does it matter anymore what we do or what we put out into the universe anymore? If we want to talk about what's in our purse with each other because we're women and we like to share what kind of ridiculous crap we shove into our bags, then so be it. Do whatever you want. It's a free-for-all at this point. She said that, and then I just saw somebody's video, a comment underneath it said, you know, I really wish people would film what's in my bag videos. And I was like, okay, that's it. That is the second time I'm seeing it. I'm gonna do it. I'm just gonna do it. Why not? So my midweek video this week is gonna be a little bit of a clear out. I honestly need to clean this bag out. It's loaded to the gills, and also it has a rip, and I have lost things in the lining of this bag. Straight up thinking I'd lost things forever and then found them. It's like that moment when Carrie realized her necklace was in the lining of her purse the whole time. It's like that. Like I found things, I'm like, I was missing this. But what I might try to do if I can is just stitch up that little bit. So I want to repair the purse, but really what I need to do is take it to my local cobbler because he does shoes and purses. He fixed my Louis Vuitton. My vintage Louis Vuitton had a broken strap. Did I ever really show you guys like a close-up of that? And plus he uses vetiver to like clean everything, so it smells like that smoky vetiver oil smell. It's kind of fading now, but yeah, one of these parts of it had completely broken off. The bottom still has this damage on it, but I don't like, this is a very old bag. I don't know exactly what year Louis Vuitton released this bag in particular. It's the one Louis Vuitton bag I own, and hopefully not the last. And it is my pride and joy. I love it so much. One thing I don't do now since I broke the strap on this is fill it with too much stuff. I don't like to overload this purse anymore because of the lesson that I learned. It was a little bit of an expensive fix having, you know, a local cobbler fix this. So, I mean, you wouldn't even know, right? You would not even know that it's been repaired. Just so you know, all of these I thrifted off of the RealReal, and I had to save up a lot of credit from working with them for a very long time to even be able to have these bags, because even on the RealReal they're expensive. But I had done some collaborations with them. I don't anymore because the person I worked with is gone. So I'm like, who's the new contact? If anybody knows the RealReal's new marketing contact, hit me up, because I really liked working with them, because as you know, I shop there all the time. So I have this also I got from the RealReal, and it is a Prada bag. It's a kind of like boho bag, you know, it's really slouchy, and this actually didn't come with it. I got this just like separately. This because I like to wear it as a crossbody, but it did come with two handles, and this is another thing where I feel like I need to stop overfilling my purses like this, like really, Seanna. So let's just get into it because I'll babble on forever. The first thing is the case that I use for my vlog camera. It's this really adorable Canon case. I just put it in here, it's padded, so it keeps it safe. It has this thing because there's a bottom that you can attach to it, but I don't use that because it gets in the way of the tripods. I have a giant, I mean, the gum, I could downsize my gum a little bit, you think? This is my little day planner that you guys probably, did I do a video on this specifically, or did I just throw it into a vlog? Probably just threw it into a vlog. But yeah, it's got, you know, I don't have anything right now in May, obviously. I haven't filled it all out. I need to fill it in with everything going on. I have some weddings I don't think I put in here yet, but that is my planner that I use to just, I like to visually see things laid out for the month. Now, I'm somebody who gets really like weird when I'm hungry. Like I do have blood sugar drops. I do feel like, you know, I might get faint or lightheaded, so it's imperative that I have a snack. Oh, we have some loose lipsticks because I try to keep everything in my makeup lipstick bag, which we'll get into. But I have that one I got with the Lisa Vanderpump Ipsy box. There's just hair, of course. And this is in the color Sincere. And it's like a little, gosh, this is really hairy. I have that by LYS, and then I have Dolly Parton's lipstick that she just released. How pretty. Isn't that so pretty? I love it. Her lipstick line. Honestly, I don't really want to be wearing this too much because I want this to be a collectible. We have Kayali perfume. I like to have just a little travel perfume. It just smells so good. You guys know how I feel about this. I freaked out when I opened this. Something about it. It's really summery or like wintry. You know how summer's so warm that they can either feel something in the summer tropical with like suntan lotion, or warm in the way of like cozy next to a fire. You ever get that kind of perfume? Can go both ways. I like that. I like versatile perfumes. Versatile perfumes. I have my wallet. This is a Marc Jacobs little mini wallet. I won't show you the other side because it's my ID and credit cards, but has a spot for change and whatnot. Throw it in your fanny pack if you're going for a dog walk. You just grab only this and your keys if you're running out, or it slips into smaller purses. So I'm more of a card wallet person now that I don't carry cash around like I used to. When I was a cash girly and a checkbook girly, I had giant wallets, but it's really downsized where those card wallets are just really so simple. We have a receipt for storage boxes. We have the tripod that I use in my car. Everything's just full of hair. The tripod that I use to stick to my window in my car and talk to you guys. We have a skirt hike. This is a skirt hike. It's what you use to wrap your belt through and then hike your skirt up on one side. That's funny, I didn't know that was in there. We have some Studio Fix from MAC in NW20. Quite used. And a poof. Best. Honestly, if you need anything to touch up your makeup, just get a Studio Fix. Put it in your purse. It's all you'll need. We'll go ahead and get into this. So this is a YSL makeup bag. And she's full. I feel like this is the exciting stuff, if you ask me. My favorite Valentino lipstick, you guys know I love so much. It's my favorite absolute lipstick ever. I wear it all the time. I'm already getting down to where I'm gonna, no, I'm good for a while, but Jesus, I need this lipstick. Cannot. Actually, you know what's crazy though? Dolly Parton lipstick is very, very close to this. I have a brush, one of those little compact brushes, and then it has a mirror. I think I get these at the dollar store. Definitely nice to have. Sooooo liner, which is my favorite to wear with the Valentino. I'm just putting everything right here. Hand sanitizer. This Touchland stuff you get at Sephora is so good. Not only does it smell amazing, but it's so handy because you can just, I don't know, just spray it. It's not like, you know, just get a little light dusting on your hands. I love this smell of this particular one. It's called the Blue Sandalwood scent. It's the best one. We have a red, I didn't know this was in here. Good to know. We have a red lip liner in Playful from Becca. This is very old because I don't even think Becca is around anymore. We have a YSL mirror. Isn't that nice? Love that. And it just goes in this lovely little envelope. We have a natural tampon from Honey Pot. This is like unbleached cotton, and then this is bleached cotton, I think, which I'm not using anymore. I'm only using these, and I really don't wear, if this is TMI, it's fine. This is a female's channel talking about what's in her purse. Tampons are gonna be in here. I don't know how to explain this, but I don't really wear tampons. I wear tampons if I'm on my period during Pilates, or if I'm like going to a movie, if I plan on being anywhere around people for an extended amount of time on my period, I wear tampons. But if I'm alone, I don't wear them. I just wear pads. I like to bleed out. I like to let the flow naturally leave my body, and I don't like to plug it up. Oh my gosh, this is just battered to all hell. This is the Grown Alchemist, like little miniature hand cream. This stuff is great. I love the smell of it. It's got that like spa kind of eucalyptus smell to it. It's seen better days. I really think there's like a one drop left of application in that. Oh, I forgot I have this. So a clear Anastasia gloss. Just good old clear. Nothing fancy. I'm gonna keep that out and use that. We have my Anastasia Dusty Rose liner I've been looking for. Good to know. It's just the same as all the others I wear. It's kind of like mauve-y, natural nude color. We have, this is the Universal Gloss Modern Rollerball perfume. We have a Calvin Klein Woman body lotion. Very important hair tie. Gotta have a hair tie. This one's really fun. This is a pill box. Look at how cute it is. And inside it has little compartments, and I have Advil, a couple of my beta blockers, and a couple of Gas-X, because there's nothing worse than being in a situation where you feel bloated and a little bit like, oh God, and you can just take a Gas-X, or if you need Advil, gotta have Advil on hand, because my headaches will come out of nowhere and they are pretty bad. Actually though, I'm going to talk about hormones and just what I've been going through in my vlog this weekend, so stay tuned for that, because I have been able to curb my migraines too. There's a lot, I have a lot to update you guys on, because I went to my doctor. Oh, it's my husband's All Saints patch. I need to put this back on his hat. Forgot about it. All right, what else? We got a few more things. See? Maxi pads. We have a Ripple. They sent me these things for a little content that I did on Instagram. And it's essentially like a aromatherapy vape. It doesn't have nicotine or anything. It's a brother and sister who invented it to help their dad quit smoking. And it's not smoke, it's just aromatherapy, like a mist. And this one's my favorite, Strawberry Mint. Clinique powder. I think I brought this for the weekend because I couldn't remember if my Studio Fix was in there, so this can go back in my vanity, but is in the color Breeze, and that's almost like the Studio Fix, Clinique's version of it. This is my new Prada lipstick I got for Christmas, and I really don't want this in there because it's gonna get all battered, and it's so pretty. I love the silver and gold. This is lovely orangey red, so gorgeous. That needs to stay out. Apparently we have a ring in here that's like one of those half rings. These things don't last very long on me. I will feel them falling off, or I'm trying to do something and they frustrate me and I'll rip them off and throw them in my bag. So I'm not surprised that that's in there. All right, I think we're nearing the end. Now, the drum roll moment. Inside of my Prada bag is a gigantic rip right there. Do you see that gigantic rip? See that hole? Now in that is treasure. Hate to break it to you, but I think gum wrapper is the only thing in. That's not very exciting. I've had moments where I've been like, oh my God, I was looking for that. Nope, everything is clear, 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 clear. That's great. Okay, well good to know I haven't lost anything. Isn't it cool? It's got some really neat details on it. This little buckle thing on the side. Do I have anything in there? I should be hiding things in here. See, the problem is I will forget about it. Boo, nothing. Come on, Seanna, hide stuff from yourself. It's fun. Nothing is in these little side pockets, but man, what an opportunity to hide some lipstick, you know? But anyway, that's what's in my bag, if you guys were curious. I'm gonna go fix this gigantic hole and give it a little bit of an upcycle, because this is probably my most used bag in my entire bag collection, because it's gorgeous. Isn't it beautiful? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this old school throwback. It was fun for me actually, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye.